the 3 steps of dealing with hard water. Your cheapest is a manual softener. The automatic is this one here. It kind of does everything for you. Basically, all you do, take the cover off, throw salt in. 3 is reverse osmosis. It's going to filter the water. It takes all the impurities out. This machine, you will not have to polish the glasses when it comes out. All right, let's talk about pass-throughs. It all works the same way. So rinse arms, wash arms, 2.5 minute cycle, rinse cycle, heats, fills. This is where it differs. The basket slides from one side to another. Slides in there and slides out. You slide it in, pull the top down, the machine's gonna start by itself. When it's finished, pull the top up, slide the basket out, slide the other one in. The machine is as reliable and as bulletproof as you're ever gonna buy, and it's a really good buy from us. To get this to produce anywhere near this kind of speed that it needs to do, we need all this sorted out at the front. It's important that we do have the right table in to go and that lips inside. Where do you put your bin? Because you're gonna scrape into your bin. If it's not a bin, you can put it into a waste disposal unit in the sink. Commercial kitchens have to deal with the grease that they shove down the drains. You have to have a grease pack that goes with this machine. One-way check valve we need. If you're dealing with mixer taps, any mixer taps like that need to have one on. On the way out of the machine, there's not that much goes on. All the spraying and everything normally happens on the way in to the machine.